In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal money pending. We all know the frustration of seeing hard-earned money stuck in limbo. Let's walk through the process so you can quickly get your funds released. First, open your browser and navigate to the PayPal website. On the home page, look for the Login option, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Login page. Here, you need to enter your email address and password. Take a moment to ensure your details are correct to avoid any login hiccups. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button, and you'll be sent to your account dashboard. Now that you're in, we need to figure out why your money is on hold. This is essential because understanding the reason can often guide you toward the right solution. Common reasons include not having sold in a while, multiple reports of issues, shifts in selling patterns, or dealing in items considered high risk. Sometimes, it's as simple as receiving a payment for goods and services instead of from friends and family. Once you have a sense of why the funds are held, head over to your Recent Activity or Activity tab. Here, you'll locate the specific transaction with funds on hold. When you click on it, you might see an option or link that says, Get Your Money. Click there to proceed. Next, you'll choose the appropriate option that best fits your situation. If you've sold a service or an intangible item, you might need to update the order status. Fill in any necessary details about the transaction, and when you're confident everything is accurate, click Submit to finalize the update. Alternatively, if you're dealing with tangible goods, you should add tracking information. Use an approved shipping carrier and ensure to provide the tracking number. This step is crucial because it helps build trust with the buyer and confirms the shipment. For a smooth and integrated experience, you can print shipping labels directly from PayPal and conveniently upload the tracking information. This feature can simplify the process significantly, ensuring all data is consistent and easily accessible. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of pending funds on PayPal. Remember, being proactive and attentive to the specifics of your transaction can often expedite the release of your money. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you fix any PayPal pending issues you encounter.